Well, hey there, it's Wednesday, July 19th, and it is beginning of our Oshkosh week for our build. Normally we would be on our way to Oshkosh today, flying, but since this is the state of the airplane, it's not going to Oshkosh yet. So we did stop by the avionics shop, and the last time, on the last video, I talked about how we needed to get the cross connect between the two ignition modules lengthened, and so stopped up at the avionics shop, and they gave me all the supplies for that. Actually, we put new connectors on that, and we just redid the whole thing. He didn't actually use the connectors that came with the modules, the LSC modules. Got some fresh connectors, made a new wire harness for that, and so yeah, what we're going to do today is we're going to start looking at a little more in depth into the electrical stuff and see what we can get done here. Not sure where we're going to exactly go at this point, but we'll get going on that and see what we get. Alright, well, we're wrapping things up for today. We got the panel in, and hopefully this is the last time that it's installed, unless a time comes when we do need to access anything in there. But we are going to make a slight change to this shelf back here, and to get better access into where this GA24 is, where the connectors go. It's not impossible, but it's pretty tight getting in here with a screwdriver from the underside here, and once the side skins and the boot cowl is on, that's the only access we're going to have in there. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this back a little bit more, and we'll just cut it along the edge of this tube here, and then we'll angle it off up here. We're going to visqueen all this off. We're going to seal all this off from the panel before we cut this, so we don't get shavings up in there, and then we'll just Dremel cut that out, and that'll give much better access to this back side of the panel on this side. The other side isn't a problem. There's a lot of room over there to get in. It's just this side's a little tight with the shelf in here where it is. So that's going to be our next project. We'll cut this back a little bit, give it a little bit of space so we can get in here to pull those connectors if we ever need to pull the panel out. The other thing that we ran into was, and that I think this will fix, is access to these support screws here. There's no way with this shelf to get a screwdriver up through here and to take the screw off from the other side. So that will also fix that issue there on being able to take the panel out in the future. So yeah, that's kind of where we're at for now. And you did see we started pulling wires through. We've got our fire sleeve on there for the pass-through, and yeah, just getting things pulled through. We've got kind of a spaghetti mess in here right now, but it's the start of electrical. So all right, so hey everybody, thanks for watching, and have a good evening, and that's it for now.